So at Custom Car, one thing we like to do is show you a behind the scenes look of exactly what we do. Most of the jobs that get done, be it locally or throughout the country, a lot of the stuff and work that we do actually goes behind door panels. It goes under carpets, in dashboards, things like that. Things that customer, you, would never even see. A job like this, for instance, this vehicle came in, it's a Ford Excursion. They previously had work done at a different store and were sold sound deadening. Well, there's a bunch of different ways to do sound deadening, and a little bit later I'm actually going to do one full door and show you how it's done here. But I can say this isn't the best possible way to do it. The problem here is you're looking at probably, I would say, this customer got charged $200 or so to do this. Material, this kit maybe cost $50, and then the rest was labor. Well, the problem is I could do this in maybe 5 minutes. And the other bigger problem is that it really doesn't do anything. All of the rattles all stay the same. All of the outside noise still stays the same. You get a bunch of road noise. It's just bad. This could have been done a little bit differently, because it's not to say you have to do a full door like I am going to show you. Had this been laid on the outer wall of the door panel on the outside, it would have at least helped cut down on sound deadening, on the sound coming from outside the vehicle. This more so is acting as almost just a gasket for the speaker, which most speakers come with gaskets already. We would do a speaker trim ring to actually fill in this gapping around it with a circle for our speaker that we'll be putting in, and then we have a foam gasketing we put around it, so it basically seals up around the speaker so you don't get airflow outside the speaker other than what the speaker is actually doing. So things like that, things like this gap right here, these are all problems when it comes to sound deadening. So we like to apply and fill all of these gaps with certain things. Some we will use the mat on. Stuff like this you'll see many different companies. It's all realistically the same stuff. We'll also use foam gasketing like I was just talking about. We'll actually be making some panels out of an aerated PVC to fill in some of those gaps. It's a really nice material. It doesn't break down if it gets hit by water, and it's very light, so it's nice to use. So yeah, we're gonna get to it and show you what we got.